Hi guys, this is another quick video. This video is on a new product that I ordered from Arm Assassin Strength Shop, or at least it's a new product to me. I first became aware of Arm Assassin Strength Shop after watching a YouTube video about the Home Gym Con that they just held in 2024 in French Lick, Indiana. So I was curious by the name because it seemed to imply that it was a sports-specific equipment manufacturer for arm wrestlers, but also indicated that it would be good for arm strength development. So I went ahead and looked up the catalog, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that a lot of the equipment they sell can be used for general fitness purposes. So let's just open this up. I've ordered several products from Arm Assassin. Now, one thing about Arm Assassin is they really package their products. I mean, they do a really good job of packaging. And I highly recommend checking out their Monster Curl Bar, because that thing is really an exceptional piece of equipment. This one was a lot easier to open than my Monster Curl Bar. And let me show you what it is. This was what I was worried about. Arm Assassin Strength Shop does a phenomenal job of packaging, but they package it too well. And as you can see, it's been packaged again. So it actually has 3 layers of packaging. So make sure you have a pair of scissors with you, or a utility knife, because believe me, you're going to need it. This thing is wrapped multiple times. I don't know if you can see that, but they wrap this over and over and over again, because they obviously don't want any moisture to come in contact with it. It's going to take you several minutes to open up the equipment, remove the packaging from it. I mean, it is really packaged well. Let's see how many times they wrapped this, just out of curiosity. And this packaging is thick. There's 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, multiple layers here. So it's like 4 and 5, 6, 7. This is multiple layers too. 7 and 8, 9. They wrap this thing 9 times. And that's inside the box, plus the outside packaging, which is multiple layer too. So they don't scrimp on packaging material, which of course is good if you want to make sure you don't have water, moisture, if it's left out in the rain. And it's raining here in Ohio right now. But this is it. This is the Strength Assassin offset loadable dumbbell, and it has a rolling handle. So this Arm Assassin Strength Shop offset loadable dumbbell can be bought in either as a single or as a pair. Now if you buy it as a single, it costs $55. If you buy it as a pair, it's cheaper, it's $95. I bought the single because I wanted to try it out first to see if I wanted to buy the other one. But it comes in either a 2-inch or 2 3/8 inch for the bar diameter, and you can even purchase it as a 1-inch bar diameter if you have standard plates. So go ahead and give it a try. Just going to slap on a couple of 10s just for demonstration purposes. And remember, when you order this, you want to make sure that whatever bar diameter you have, it will fit your collars. This is the 2-inch variety that I bought. This is a standard spring collar for Olympic plates, but it's too loose, as you can see. So a spring collar will not work. And they warn you down on the website is when you order it that they recommend that you get a T-style collar. This is a Olympic collar with the screw-in bolt, and this does work. So you have a collar like this will work. This is basically the same thing, just a different kind. And it works as well. This is a common plastic clamp style collar. And that works. That's secure. And this is the collar they recommend. It's a T-style clamp collar. It's ones I like using. If you don't have them, you can order them from different companies, including Arm Strength Assassin. This is from a different manufacturer. This is from Gorilla Strength Equipment, who also produces excellent equipment. So there you go. That will fit. And just using it for the very first time, this is slick. The handle rotates, so it makes curls easier. And it has a different feel. It feels a lot different from standard barbell. I'm just using it. When I do a curl this way, the weight is up here. I can feel it up here. When I do the curl this way, the weight is pulling me down more because it's offset. The gravity is playing more of a factor. And of course you can use it for just more than dumbbell curls, presses, and rows. I'm sure other exercises as well. So it's something different. It definitely it's a lot different with this rotating handle, and also because the weight it's lower than I can a standard dumbbell. Definitely a different dynamic. Well, there you go, guys. I went ahead and ordered the second one, and I think it's a good purchase.